I'm about to show you how to use the power of artificial intelligence to make a whopping $700 a day. This bot will help you smash your affiliate marketing goals in no time. But hold on a second, because I'm not going to be telling you about any ordinary bot. We're talking about the ultimate AI affiliate marketing strategy, designed specifically for beginners like you. I'll be breaking down everything you need to know step by step in this video, so be sure to pay close attention right until the end, because I don't want you to miss any important money-making details. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Sign up for Postwise. Alright, so let's dive into the world of Postwise and explore how this AI bot can revolutionize your Twitter game. First off, let's talk about what Postwise actually is. It's an AI bot that's specifically designed to help you create professional and engaging tweets for your Twitter account. With its powerful algorithms and machine learning capabilities, this bot can help you write tweets that are not only effective, but also catered to your specific audience. Now, you might be wondering how to access this incredible tool. Well, it's simple. Just go to this link, which I've put in the description box for you. Then you'll be taken to the sign-up page. Once you've signed up, you'll have access to all the features of this bot. One of the best things about Postwise is how user-friendly it is. You don't need to have any prior knowledge or experience with AI bots to use it. In fact, the sign-up process is incredibly straightforward, and you'll be up and running in no time. Once you're on the Postwise page, look for the Try It Free Now button. Click on that button, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can enter your Twitter username and password. This step is important because it allows Postwise to access your Twitter account and generate tweets on your behalf. Don't worry though. Postwise takes your privacy and security seriously, and your information is always safe with them. Once you've entered your Twitter username and password, click on the Authorize App button. This will give Postwise permission to access your Twitter account, and your Postwise account will be ready. Once you're logged in to Postwise, you can head to the dashboard, and now you're ready to start generating professional tweets for your affiliate marketing campaign. The process is quick and easy, and you'll be amazed at how simple it is to use this powerful AI bot. Once you've signed up, you can start using Postwise to create professional tweets. You have all these cool features listed here, but the most important part is the AI writer. All you have to do is type in the topic that you want tweets for, and the AI bot will generate a list of tweets for you to choose from. It's that simple. And the best part is that the tweets are written in a way that will appeal to your audience, making them more likely to engage with your content. But Postwise isn't just about writing tweets, it's also about scheduling them. With this bot, you can schedule your tweets in advance, so you don't have to worry about manually posting them every day. This can save you a lot of time and effort, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your affiliate marketing campaign. Step 2. Start creating professional tweets. Now let's actually start generating some professional tweets that will help you stand out from the competition. The first step is to click on the search box and type in a topic that you want to generate tweets for. Let's say you're in the skincare niche. In this case, you might type in skin fat treatment to generate tweets that are relevant to your topic. Once you've typed in your search term, Postwise will get to work generating tweets for you. You'll see a list of different tweet options that you can choose from, and you can select the ones that you like the most. You can edit them and personalize them further, and you can post them now or schedule them. The great thing about Postwise is that the AI bot is constantly learning and improving. So the more you use it, the better it gets at generating high-quality tweets that are sure to engage your audience. Of course, you're not limited to just one search term. You can type in as many different topics as you want and generate tweets for each one. This allows you to build a diverse and engaging Twitter feed that will keep your audience coming back for more. Step 3. Select a tweet and schedule it. Once you've generated some professional tweets using Postwise, it's time to start scheduling them so that they go out at the optimal times and reach the widest possible audience. To schedule a tweet, all you have to do is select the one that you want to post and click on the schedule button. This will bring up a calendar where you can select the date and time that you want the tweet to go out. The great thing about scheduling your tweets is that it allows you to reach your audience at the times when they're most likely to be active on Twitter. For example, If you know that your target audience is most active in the evenings, you can schedule your tweets to go out during that time to maximize engagement. Scheduling your tweets also helps you stay consistent with your posting schedule, which is important for building a strong following on Twitter. By posting regularly and at consistent times, you'll be able to build trust with your audience and keep them coming back for more. One thing to keep in mind is that scheduling your tweets is just the first step. You also need to make sure that you're engaging with your audience and responding to their comments and feedback. This will help you build relationships with your followers and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Step 4. Post 3 to 5 tweets per day. Now that you've scheduled your first tweet, it's time to start creating more content to keep your followers engaged and interested. The key to building a strong following on Twitter is to post consistently and provide value to your audience. With Postwise, you have a powerful tool that can help you create professional tweets quickly and easily. To build a following, it's recommended that you aim to post at least 3-5 tweets per day. This might sound like a lot, but with Postwise, it's easy to create high-quality content that your followers will love. One great way to keep your content fresh and engaging is to mix things up. Try posting a mix of different types of tweets, such as informative articles, inspiring quotes, and funny memes. This will keep your feed interesting and varied, and will help you reach a wider audience. Step 5. Monetize your content. Alright, so you've got your tweets scheduled, and your followers are starting to engage with your content. Now it's time to start monetizing your Twitter account with affiliate marketing. This is where you can start earning commissions by promoting products to your followers. One of the best places to find affiliate products is Digistore. This is a popular affiliate network that offers a wide variety of products in different niches, including skincare products. To get started, simply sign up for a Digistore account and browse their marketplace to find a skincare product that you think your audience will be interested in. Once you've found a product you want to promote, you'll need to get your affiliate link. This is a unique link that identifies you as the affiliate and allows you to earn commissions when someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase. To get your affiliate link, simply go to the product page on Digistore and look for the Promote Now button. Click on this button and you'll be given your unique affiliate link. Now it's time to add your affiliate link to your Twitter bio. This is the section of your profile that appears below your username and description. To add your affiliate link, simply go to your Twitter profile and click on the Edit Profile button. From there, you can add your affiliate link to the website field. Make sure to include a brief description of the product and a call to action to encourage your followers to click on the link and make a purchase. By adding your affiliate link to your Twitter bio, you're making it easy for your followers to find the product and make a purchase. And every time someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. The more followers you have and the more engaging your content is, the more likely you are to make sales and earn commissions. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.